Please, Nut, what is that one snack that you won't stop eating even if you become rich today? My answer will always be this Kenyan Kaimati or Puff Puff. Hello soft lifers, let's do this. Start by sifting all-purpose flour in a bowl. Always sift your flour before using it, alright? To the flour, I'll add in sugar. Add as much as you want, let it be according to your palate. Then half a tablespoon of salt and cinnamon. Then 1 tablespoon of dry yeast. You can add any dry ingredients of your choice at this point. Then mix to combine very well. Now it's time to move in with warm water. When it comes to puff puff, you don't use water straight from the tap. You can as well use milk if you want instead of water. I'll be adding the water bit by bit as I mix. Thank you so much for watching today's video. To my returning subscribers, I appreciate you all. If you are new here, a warm welcome to you. Please subscribe to my channel. Always like and share this video with your loved ones. Alright, I continue to mix till I come to a creamy batter just like this one. Your batter should not be too runny. Look at the texture of mine. This is how it should be. Now it's time to cover and keep it in a warm place to cool. You can either cover with a cling film or a bowl lid. Cover and keep it anywhere around your home to cool. 30 to 60 minutes later, voila! This is the evidence of an active yeast. Remember, this can be more or less than 30 minutes depending on how warm your environment is. Now we are going to deflate the batter. For those of us that don't know how to mold a perfect rump of puff, please pay attention. In between your thumb and index finger, mold and drop. If you are with me at this point, type mold and drop. Mold and drop into a deep, hot, moderate oil. Beautiful. Please let me know your name and where you're watching me from so that I can give you a shout out in my next video. After molding and dropping into the hot oil, allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Go ahead and flip the other side to cook as well. Puff puff is set to be ready once they are golden brown like so. Put in a strainer to drain out the excess oil. And just like that, you made yourself puff puff or Kenyan Kaimati. Do you love what you're seeing? Do you? Do you? If you do, type delicious at the comment section. Okay, for non-Kenyans watching me, this is one of the easiest snacks you can find in any shop or market in Kenya. Alright, this is how it's being sold. With an old newspaper or nylon paper, just like this I'm using, they will put the kaimati and wrap it up like so and hand it over to you. It's usually 10 shilling per piece. That's $0.077 cents. This doesn't require much ingredients, but it tastes so amazing. You can have it with tea or soda at any time. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next one. Bye bye.